Dreaming of a beautiful yard, but think landscape design is too expensive and complicated? Forget about thousands of dollars for architects and complex software. Meet Planiogard, your personal AI landscape architect. No need to search through plant catalogs or know how to draw. Just 3 minutes. Sketch the outline of your yard. Add paths and terraces. Choose one of 14 styles. Enter any extra wishes as text, like a small pool and a fire pit, and hit generate. In less than 30 seconds, the AI will automatically arrange plants and structures while keeping your exact boundaries intact. Don't like it? Change the style in one click and explore new options. Head over to planiogard.com. Draw your fence and see what your yard is truly capable of. Planiogard, beautiful yards made accessible to everyone.